Hey, how you doing? It's Richard. So I would get started and head right here. So the purpose of this assignment was to incorporate everything we've learned from chapter 2 and the simulations exercises that we did, and also apply the formulas that we've learned throughout the chapter. So what I did here was, for today's date, there's multiple ways you can get today's date, but I decided to go with date, and it automatically entered that for me as I use this formula. To get the down payments, this was the formula I used, which was this times this would give me this. Make this a mixed cell reference, then you drag down, and that's how I got the other down payments calculations. As far as monthly payment, again, I put everything here. To calculate this, we had to apply this function. So it starts off by the rate, of course, the payments, and how much the car is worth. So the cost of the car. So what I did here was take the APR and you divide that by the payments per year. Then here we have the years times the payments of the years minus the total cost of the car and the down payment, because it's minus since you're putting down payment. So this will go to 19,000. So that's how we got here to these calculations. As far as checking out test drive or not available, you have to put this function that, of course, this formula that we learned throughout the chapter, and this is the if formula. So it tells us if we are in our budget, which our budget's 500, monthly payment is 343, and as you can see, we do meet the budget. We do meet the budget. We do not meet the budget. We exceed the budget, so we are not going to test drive. I learned a lot. Again, I'm new to Excel, so I'm learning a lot, and I think this is very useful. Anyone could use these formulas and know where they stand as far as a budget. But definitely really loving what I'm learning, and definitely could be applied to things in the future, especially when you're calculating your mortgage, PMI, if you're planning to buy a home in the near future. But again, learned a lot. Formulas, auto sum, insert function, financial, which of course we're using financial for payments. That's where you will find the payment option to choose from. Thank you.